let's build a PC. So I've been using this laptop for over 8 years now, and whenever you throw something at it like Photoshop or Premiere, it instantly dies. And it has a 4GB RAM and an Intel i3 3rd gen chip, and I needed something powerful enough to handle basic editing and some casual gaming. So मैंने decide किया कि मैं एक PC build करता हूँ, and here are the parts I chose for this PC. So this is the first time I'm building a PC, and the processor I chose for this PC is Ryzen 5 3600, and it's a 6-core 12-thread monster processor with a base clock of 3.6 GHz, and it is unlocked for overclocking, जो हम लोग अभी नहीं करेंगे, but in future upgrades हम लोग के लिए ये थोड़ा एक good option हो सकता है. So I chose this, and as for the current scenario, I am in PC building. AMD processor अब थोड़े ज़्यादा overpriced हो चुके हैं, so I don't recommend this, but मैंने इस प्रोसेसर को I think early 2020 के early years में ख़रीद लिया था, so I got it for a quite cheaper price. So the next up is our motherboard is from MSI B550 Tomahawk Max, and को चूज़ किया है क्योंकि इसमें हम बेसिक ओवरक्लॉकिंग कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ अ fairly good overviewed motherboard as far as I know. So I chose this. इसको साइड में रखते हुए let's go for the next one, which is our graphics card, MSI GTX 1660 Ventus XS Overclock Edition, and it's a mid-tier card, and it will do fine for basic gaming in 1080p and mainly sports title and for video editing also. So next up is our power supply, a Gigabyte P550B power supply, a 550 watt power supply, which is enough for this build, and we can upgrade it as needed. So if you want to like see that future upgrade, so please subscribe and click the bell icon. And oops, I almost dropped my CPU here. So as for now, we are going for the storage, which is an M.2 SSD drive. SSD is more faster than your basic hard drive, so I chose this. This is a WD SN550 500 GB storage capacity, and this is the final piece of the puzzle, and it came today, so we will unbox it together. It's our RAM basically, which is an XPG Spectrix D60G. It's a 16 GB kit of 8 GB memory, 8x2 specification, and it has a speed of 3600 MHz. So ये मैंने लास्ट में ऑर्डर किया क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया था कि RGB वाला चाहिए या नॉन RGB वाला चाहिए. सो लास्टली आई सेटल फॉर RGB बिकॉज यू नो इट मेक्स योर PC फास्टर. सो ओके सो लेट्स ओपन इट, एंड काफ़ी बढ़िया दिख रहा है. इट विल लुक गुड ऑन अ बिल्ड. This we shouldn't forget our case finally, so which is a Lianli LAN Cool 215 mid-tower case, budget case as far as I am concerned. So आज के लिए इतना ही. These are the parts of the PC, and this is I think part 1, and we will do a part 2 sooner, जहाँ पे हम लोग PC build करेंगे. So please consider subscribing to the channel, और प्लीज़ हिट द बेल आइकन ताकि मैं जब भी नेक्स्ट पार्ट अपलोड करूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. सो थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, बट इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन PC बिल्डिंग, सो प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, एंड कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग नेक्स्ट पार्ट के लिए. सो थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस.